Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So we are doing trigonometry chapter from class 10 syllabus, and again as you can see from here that we are doing we have already done exercise 5 of R.S. Agarwal. Next in this video we are going to learn about some questions of trigonometric ratio, exercise 6 here, trigonometric ratios, of exercise 6. Okay. So here for that first we have to know the value of the angles. Now here the details discussion has been given, trigonometric ratio of 45 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree, okay, geometrically. Here in this book the representation of sin 45 degree, tan 45 degree, sec 45 degree, cos 45 degree, cosec 45 degree, cot 45 degree is already given by taking this triangle. Now if we consider this triangle, this should be A, this should be A, and this should be root 2A. So by considering this triangle we are getting the values like that, the corresponding values. Next, for finding the trigonometric ratios of 60 degree and 30 degree, here is the calculations done. Next, trigonometric ratio of 60 degree, all the calculations has been done. So in the R.S. Agarwal book. So I suggest you that you just go through this book, and if you have any problem, viewers, so tell me in my comment box. I will definitely try to help you to understood that. Next, axiom as per trigonometric ratio, that is sin 0 is equal to 0, cos 0 is equal to 1, tan 0 is equal to 0, sec 0 is equal to 1, cosec 0 and cot 0 are not defined. And here axiom for trigonometric ratio 90, sin 90 is equal to 1, cos 90 is equal to 0, cosec 90 is equal to 1, cot 90 is equal to 0, tan 90 and sec 90 are not defined. Now here comes one table, as you can see the table is given here. Hope you are able to see it, the trigonometric ratio table. This is the table of trigonometric ratio. Hope you will able to, you have to remind it so that you will able to do the maths. Next, here some solved examples are also given in R.S. Agarwal. As you can see, these are the solved example. Next, come to our main topic, the exercise. Exercise 6. Today we will do exercise 6. So trigonometric ratio of some particular angle, exercise 6 of R.S. Agarwal. Okay. Trigonometric ratio of some particular angles. Okay, this is our topic of learning today. Now the exercise is exercise 6, obviously from R.S. Agarwal. First, come to first question. As you can see, sin 60 is cos 30 plus cos 60 is sin 30. Find the value. So sin 60 degree cos 30 degree plus cos 60 degree sin 30 degree. This value we have to compute. Value of sin 30 degree, sin 60 degree, we have to remind sin 60 degree means root 3 by 2 into cos 30 degree means also root 3 by 2. Sin 30 degree and cos 30 degree value are opposite. Next, cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 plus into sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So, this equal to 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. If we add this 4 by 4, so the value should be 1. Understood? Next come to second question. The second question is also like that. Second question, question number 2. Question number 2, that is also like that, that is cos 60 sin 30 minus sin 60 sin 30 cos 60 cos 30 cos 30 sin 60 sin 30. Okay. So, this value we have to find cos 60 cos 30 cos 30 cos 60 cos 30. So, the cos 60 degree is value is root 3 by 2 into cos 30 value is 1 by 2 minus sin 60, the value of cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 and cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay. And sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 and sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So, as you can see, ultimately the value is coming 0. Next, move to another question. Next, move to question number 6. What is given in question number 6? Sin square 30 plus 4 cot square 45 degree plus sec square 60 degree into cosec square 45 degree sec square 30 degree. So, this value we have to find. Now, sin square 30 degree means sin 30 value of sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2 that whole square 4 into cot 45 value of cot 45 is 1 that square minus sec 60 degree, the value of sec 60 degree. Now, what is the value of sec 60 degree? If the value of cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2, sec 60 degree value is 2 only. So, 2 square. Next, cosec 45 degree. Now, cos 45 degree, sin 45 degree value root 2 1 by root 2. So, this value is root 2 whole square into sec 30 degree, and cos 30 degree value of cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So, 2 by is equal to 2 by root 3 whole square. Understood. Next, we have to compute it. This is 1 by 4 plus 4 minus 4 and this value, this is 2 into 4 by 3. So, 1 by 4 into 2 into 4 by 3, 4 should be cancel out. So, the value is 2 by 3, that will be the answer. So, this is question number 6 of exercise 6. Previous questions are also very easy, you can try it yourself. Next, we are going to move question number 8. Question number 8. Now, what is given in question number 8? Tan square 60 degree plus 4 cos square 45 degree plus 3 cosec square 60 degree plus 2 cos square 90 degree divided by 2 cosec 30 degree plus 3 sec 60 degree minus 7 by 3 cot square 30 degree. Okay. Now, we have to put the value over here. tan square 60 degree. Now tan 60, the value of tan 60 is equal to root 3. So this is root 3 square plus 4 into cos 45, the value of cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 square plus 3 into cosec square 60. Now cosec 60 degree, the value of sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. So cosec 60 is equal to 2 by root 3 whole square plus 2 into cos, hope you are able to see it, 2 into cos square 90, cos 90 value is 0, so this is 0. Next 2 cosec 30, sin 30 value 1 by 2, cosec 30 value is 2 plus 3 into sec 60, cos 60 value is 1 by 2. So sec 60 value is equal to 2, okay, minus 7 by 3 into cot 30. Now the value of tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. So cot 30 value is root 3 and that is whole square, okay. So this is 3 plus 4 by 2 plus 3 into 4 by 3 plus 0 divided by 4 plus 3 into 2 means 6 minus 7 by 3 into 3, 3 should be cancelled. So here we are getting these 3 should be cancelled. So you are getting 3 plus 4 by 2 means 2 plus 4 by 4 plus 6 minus 7. So that is equals to 9 divided by, and this is 3, that is equals to 3 should be the answer. Next come to another question. The question is from question number 10, question number 10 of exercise 6. The question is 1 minus sin 60 degree by cos 60 degree is equal to tan 60 degree minus 1 by tan 60 degree plus 1. We have to show that. Now first come to the LHS. 1 minus sin 60 degree by cos 60 degree. 1 minus sin 60 means value is root 3 by 2, by cos 60 means 1 by 2. So by calculating we are getting 2 minus root 3 by 1, okay. So that is equal to 2 minus root 3. Next come to this RHS, tan 60 minus 1, tan 60 plus 1, tan 60 value of tan 60 is equal to 1 by root 3, sorry, value of tan 60 is equal to root 3. So this is root 3 minus 1, this is root 3 plus 1. Now we have to rationalize it. Rationalization you have already known. So this is root 3 minus 1, root 3 plus 1, we have to multiply it by root 3 minus 1 by numerator and denominator. This is root 3 plus 1, this is root 3 minus 1, okay. So rationalization is that means root 3 minus 1 whole square by 3 minus 1, that is equals to 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 by 2, 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2, that is equals to 2 minus root 3, okay. So my RHS is equal to LHS proved. Okay. Next move to another question. Question number 11. Question number 11. Question number 11. It is given that verify that four verification are given. As you can see, I am doing question number 3 and 4. Okay. So, question number 11, question number 3, it is given that 2 sin 30 cos 30. Okay. So, 2 sin 30, the value of sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, cos 30 value 1 by 2. So, if we cancelize, we are getting 1 by 2 as answer, and this is the LHS. This is the LHS. Next come to the RHS. RHS is given cos 30 degree value is root 3 by 2. So, this is root 3 by 2. Hope you are able to see it. Now, here RHS it is given sin 60 degree. So, that is equals to value of sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So, that will be the another verification done. Okay. So, next question number 4, 2 sin 45 degree cos 45 degree. This we have to verify. So, this is the LHS. This is the LHS. 2 into sin 45 degree means 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2, that is equals to cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2, sin 45 degree also 1 by root 2. So, 1 by 2. So, that is equals to 1. Next come to, this is the LHS. Next come to the RHS. Now, what is given in RHS? RHS is given sin 90 degree. Sin 90 degree means 1. So, here LHS equal to RHS verified. Okay. Next move to another question. Question number 12. What is given in question number 12? If A is equal to 45 degree, then verify that first is sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A. This we have to verify. So, A is equal to 45 degree. So, my LHS is equal to sin 2A, that is equal to sin 2 into 45 degree, that means sin 90 degree, that means the value is 1. And come to the RHS. RHS is equal to 2 into sin 45 degree cos 45 degree. Okay. 2 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2, 2 into 1 by 2, that is equals to 1. Okay. So, verification done. Next come to question number second question is given. So, viewers, you try it yourself, definitely you will able to solve it. Next come to question number 13. A is equal to given 30 degree. We have to verify one formula, that is three formulas we have to verify here. We have to verify three formula. So, one formula I am verifying. Question number 2. Cos 2A is equal to 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Okay. This is cos 2A. This we have to verify. Now, LHS A is equal to 30 degree. So, cos 2A that's equals to cos 2 into 30 degree, that means cos 60 degree. So, cos 60 degree that is equals to value of cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Now, this come to the RHS, 1 minus tan square 30 degree, 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Now, this is 1 minus tan 30 degree, the value of tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. So, if we squaring it, we are getting 1 by 3. Again this is 1 minus 1 by 3. Okay. 1 plus 1 by 3, 1 minus 1 by 3. Next, so 1 minus 1 by 3 means 2 by 3 and 1 plus 1 by 3 means 4 by 3. So, that implying 2 by 4, that is equals to 1 by 2. So, this is the RHS. So, LHS equal to RHS verified. Okay. Next, move to another question. Question number 14. Question number 14. Using the formula cos A is equal to 1 plus cos 2A by 2, find the value of cos 30 degree, and it is given that cos 60 degree is equal to, it is given cos 60 degree is equal to half. It is given, we have to find the value of cos 30 degree. So, take A is equal to 30 degree. So, we getting cos 30 degree, that is equals to root under of 1 plus cos A is equal to 30 degree, this is cos 60 degree, that is by 2. So, cos 30 degree, that is equals to root under of 1 plus cos 60 means cos 60 1 by 2 by 2. If we do the calculations, this is root under 3 by 2 by 2. So, that is root under 3 by root under 4. So, this is root 3 by 2. So, the value of cos 30 would be root 3 by 2. Similarly, question number 15 is similar. Next, come to question number 16. Now, what is given in question number 16? Using the formula tan 2A is equal to 2 tan A, find the value of tan 60 degree. It is also given, tan 30 degree is given. So, that is also easy question. Question number 16, tan 2A is equal to 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. Now, given tan 60 degree, sorry, tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 2, 1 by root 3, it is given. We have to find the tan 60 degree. So, taking A is equal to 30 degree. So, if we take A is equal to 30 degree, we are getting tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to 2, sorry, tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to 2 tan 30 degree by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. Now, to tan 30 degree, value of tan 30 degree given 1 by root 3, 1 minus tan square 30 degree means 1 by root 3 square. Okay. So, this is equal to 2 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by 3. So, this calculation is 2 by root 3 by 2 by 3. So, obviously, this equal to 3 by root 3. By calculating, we are getting root 3. Okay. Next, move to question number 17. Question number 17, it is given that A is equal to B is equal to 45 degree. If so, then verify sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This we have to verify. A and B is 45 degree. Now, if A is equal to B is equal to 45 degree, so A plus B is equal to 45 plus 45 degree means 90 degree. So, this is equal to sin 90. Value of sin 90, this is my LHS, value of sin 90 is equal to how much? 1. Now, let us come to RHS. RHS, this is sin 45 cos 45 plus cos 45 sin 45. Okay. Value of sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. This is 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 cos 45 into 1 by root 2. Okay. Next, this is obviously 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is equals to half plus half is equal to 1. So, LHS equal to RHS verified. Similarly, by this process we can verify rest of the question of class 7. Next, question number 18. Question number 18 I am doing this question, that is question number 5 from question number 18. So, question number 18, here it is given A is equal to 60 degree, B is equal to 30 degree. Okay. Verify LHS. LHS is given tan A minus B, tan 60 minus 30, that is tan 30 degree. Now, the value of tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. So, this is my LHS. Next, come to the RHS. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Value of tan A is equal to tan 60 plus tan 30 by 1 minus tan 60 tan 30, that is implying value of tan 60 is equal to root 3 plus 1 by root 3 by 1 minus root 3 sorry it is wrongly written. This we have to verify tan A minus tan B. Here minus should be done, here plus should be done. So, this is plus, this is minus. Okay. So, this is root 3 minus root 3, this is 1 plus root 3 into 1 by root 3. Okay. So, this root 3 can be cancelled, and this is this becomes, if we can if we consider it, this becomes 3 minus 1 by root 3 into the denominator is 2. So, that is equals to 2 by root 3 into 2. Okay. This two cancelize, one we are getting 1 by root 3. So, LHS equal to RHS verified. Next, come to another question, question number 19. If A and B, read the question number 19. If A and B are two acute angles such that tan A is equal to 1 by 3, tan B is equal to 1 by 2 and tan A plus B. Tan A is equal to 1 by 3, tan B is equal to 1 by 2 and tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay. We have to find the value of tan A plus B. Now, tan A is equal to 1 by 3, 1 by 2, tan B is equal to 1 by 2, 1 minus this is 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. Okay. So, this is if we calculate it, this is 6, 3 minus 2, and this calculation is done 1 minus 1 by 6. Okay. So, this is 1 by 6, this is obviously this is 3 plus 2, and if we do the calculation, this is 5 by 6, this is obviously 3 plus 2 means 5 by 6, 5 by 6. So, 5 by 6 by 5 by 6 means 1. So, tan A plus B is equal to tan 1 degree, that is equals to tan 45 degree. So, obviously A plus B is equal to 45 degree. Next, question number 20, question number 21 and 22. From these three questions, I am doing question number 22. Both the all the questions are quite similar. So, question number 22. Now, one triangle is given. One triangle is given here. This is 45 degree. This is 3√2 centimeter. This is AB. This is C. Okay. Now, in the adjoining figure, angle A is given, AC is given. We have to find BC. BC we have to find. Now, sin 45 degree from figure, sin 45 degree. Sin 45 degree is equal to BC by AC. Now, the value of BC is equal to, we do not know, AC 3√2, sin 45 means 1 by √2. This √2 should be cancelled. So, BC is equal to 3 centimeter we are getting. Okay. This is 1, and next come to 2. We have to find AB. So, from the figure also, cos 45 degree, cos 45 degree is equal to AB by AC, and here cos 45 degree, the value of cos 45 degree also 1 by √2, and that is equals to AB. The value of AB we do not know. So, AB we have to find, and AC is equal to 3√2. So, this √2 cancelize. AB is equal to 3 centimeter. So, AB is equal to BC is equal to 3 centimeter. This is BC, 3 centimeter. Okay. So, that is it for this video. In this video, we have already almost, or means we have solved exercise 6 of R.S. Agarwal math book, trigonometry ratios of particular angle. Next, in my next video, we will come and join trigonometric identity questions. Okay. Till then, keep watching, do subscribe, and please hit the bell button. Please do subscribe the channel for getting math related video. Okay. Thank you.